Kayo po ay nakatambay dito every single day, pinaliwanag na po natin yan. Hinighlight ko lang po ito. Diba? Sinasabi natin yung cycle ng Bitcoin. Binilang ko ba sa inyo ilang buwan na lang bago mag-halvening o marang mas mapapaaga pa ngayon. It doesn't matter if it's April or May or June 2024, hindi na po masyadong hindi na malayo talaga yung petsa na yan. Kaya, ang tanong na lang, nakailan na ba kayo ng budegs? Another COVID probably said the price probably double bottom ng, 15, no? Last time, that was 15. So, another major negative news, posible pa yon. Pero, again, kung ibe-base natin sa cycle ng crypto, kumbaga, pag winay mo yung risk-reward, so mas maganda na, mas maliit na yung risk ngayon, considering yung time factor. Meaning to say, ganito po, no? At tinitignan ko na lang na pwedeng mag-cause ng Bitcoin price to deep 15,000, 17,000 level is a big event similar to COVID, probably wag namang war. So yun yung tinitingnan ko na major event. Ngayon po, yun ang downside kung mangyayari. Ang maganda rito, because of the cycle, no, ng crypto, yun ang savior mo ngayon. Meaning to say, kung bumili ka ngayon below 30k ng crypto and then it went down to 15 to 17, let's say wala ka nang pambili, naka all in ka, no? You just have to wait na mag-materialize yung cycle. Just like what happened to the previous cycle, during that time I think Bitcoin was trading at around 10,000, 8 to 10,000. Nagkaroon ng COVID, we dip at 3,800 ng ilang araw, dire-diretso baba. Ilang araw din umakyat na, di ba? So, mag-aantay ka lang, babalik na rin siya, mga titos and titas. So, yun yung kagandahan. Kumbaga, you will be saved by the bells. Dahil malapit na yung cycle eh. Whereas, kung ang inaabangan mo yung, sige, abangan ko, major event, sabi nga natin, COVID or war, etc., no? Abang ka ng 15, paano kung hindi mangyari? Paano kung magtuloy-tuloy na? Di ba? Let's say, the bottom pala is the 15, the 19 was the higher low, and the 25, the next higher low. So, paano kung hindi yun mangyari? Diba? So, you're risking a lot by not buying and not storing Bitcoin while it's below 30,000. Okay, mga titos and titas, gets ba? Okay, follow for more Tito Moves!